Good morning. It's Saturday, October the 3rd, and the rain has arrived. I know it's a little bit of water standing out there in the front. It's not as bad as I expected when I got up. It started yesterday evening when Larry was finishing up the peanuts, and then it rained all night. And I expect it'll rain all day. There's some water out there under the tree, a little flooded. But that's no worse than usual. The ditch out there is full. I thought I'd take you for a walk around our rainy yard so you can see the water. And it's 10:10. And got my boots on so I can walk. I guess this is some umbrella. I guess this is from Hurricane Joaquin. There's just water everywhere. And I guess I'm going through a couple inches right there. This is the corner of the yard. On the other side of the fence, that's the drainage ditch, which is kind of running back over here. There's the water I came through. So this is the reason we came back home from North Carolina, so we can keep an eye on this. That oak tree right there is kind of in an island. It's got water all around it. And then all out through here is water. Bring our toy sailboats out and sail them. I don't know if we still got those. Might have gave them to the kids. I think it's a motorboat, maybe. I have a yellow rubber duck. It could float on there. Here's the driveway. And here's where the water collects by the door. Looks like it's coming off the carport and running down along the grass there, and then all down here and on out to the front. But there's water all here by the door. That's what we're in, going up almost to the door. I'd kind of like to have some sandbags to put along there, but we didn't go get any. Not sure where you get them. There's the ditch Larry's got dug, so the water flows on out. As long as it don't rain any harder, maybe it'll keep flowing, I hope. If it comes down hard, we'll have to do something. I'll show you the reason I put my boots on and came out here in the first place. It wasn't really to make this video. There's more of the drainage ditch. But it's this. Mindy's birthday is Tuesday, and I want to get her birthday card in the mail. Happy birthday, Mindy. Goldfish ought to be getting lots of fresh, clean water. There's the water up close to the door. I spent about the last hour getting my fall decorations out of the attic and putting them around. That's a good thing to do on a rainy day. Decorate inside. This guy here, he'll go outside once the rain quits. The scarecrow. There goes Larry with the shovel. I guess he's going to try and open some things up. Let the water drain. I think we're supposed to be getting 1 to 2 inches an hour. I decorated the fireplace for fall. It says Happy Harvest, a little bear. I got a jack-o'-lantern. Up here I've got lots of pumpkins and scarecrows. And the sign says Harvest Gatherings, sunflowers, pumpkins, gourds, and acorns. And I've got sunflowers and acorns and pumpkins and gourds mixed in with everything. So that's the fall mantle. And I got a basket of flowers, or a basket of fall leaves here on the table. And then there's a scarecrow up here on top of the bookcases. Got a couple little pumpkin salt and pepper shakers, or ornaments. This is the table where we play cards. Just got a little pumpkin things in it. It's a small table and it's a small decoration. But I like my mom's chandelier. Larry got a drain cleared out there and he said the water was running out pretty fast, so hopefully that'll go down more. This is some more of my fall decorations I did. I got the little leaves on my seasonal tree now. I think it's cute. And decorated the table. Got a pumpkin back there and a couple scarecrows here. And have a fall wreath on the door. And got some pumpkins out there on the porch. They're ceramic. There's 3 of them. It's warm out here. There's 2 there. And a little one there. That one you can put a light in it, I think, or under it. This one has a face on the front of it. And that's just a plain one. So, that's my decorating. Look, it's the sun. It's the first time we've seen it today. There was an actual shadow in the kitchen. This is bad news. We got a leak in the ceiling, or in the roof above the half bath. Got to get that fixed. I think there's vents or something up there if they leak around, and Larry's gonna have to take off all the caulking and replace it. And I've been wanting to take this popcorn off the ceiling anyway, so now might be my chance. It's 20:07. I guess I'll end the vlog. The rain quit for a couple hours this afternoon, but now it's started again. Just a light rain. We went up in the attic and looked at the roof above the bathroom, and it looks kind of bad up there. It's a rotted place. I think it's bad enough we're going to have to get a roofer to come fix it. At least that's what Larry thought. He can't get up in there really. It's leaking around the vent, and it's rotted somehow even. We didn't know about it. Well, we knew there was a leak and he fixed it once, but we didn't know how bad it was and that it's come back. So we'll have to find somebody to call about that. And I've got a bunch of dirty dishes in the kitchen. I have to go clean up the kitchen. It's going to take me a while. So, good night. God bless.